guys, I forgot you were here. Today we're going to be picking out squishies, and you have to be covering your eyes. And if I get one right, I get a point. I was going to do this with my brother, but he didn't want to do it. So, yeah. Let's get started. Let me just put that down. I'm on my way. I'm going to have the rest of this and then I'll start, okay? We're having a little mix. We've had a mix, let's do it. I think this is my giant ice cream, and here's pink, here's yellow, here's the cone. I got it right! I love it. I've got a point, so I'm putting it there to stand it up. So let's carry on. Huh? Where's the lid for this? Oh, yeah, I found it. I think it's my green butter slime, and it has little fruits in. I got it right! Isn't so stretchy. That's the only time he comes in. All the time. Let's carry on again. What do you think it is? What is it? I think it's my white donut with sprinkles on and a bit of sauce. I got it right. I wasn't thinking it was this sauce. I thought it was brown sauce. Isn't so squishy. Look. Look at his little nose. Boink, boink. let's carry on again. This time we're starting from this end here to this end. I don't know what this is. I thought it was round, like a ball shape. I just do pokey slime on squishies, like. Isn't it? It is a bit clicky, you know. Let me do the clicky sound near you. I love this squishy. I have another one. Here's one, and there's one more squishy, like this. Oh, here it is. These three. Galaxy. This one's Galaxy as well. Let's see who wins. Which one do you think? It's a draw. Now let's do it with all of these. This one isn't so clicky, this one. Oh, here. It doesn't click at all. Ooh. I've had this one for a long time, but not these two. Let's see if this one's clicky. A bit. Here. So let's try this one now. Same as these three. I meant these two, not this one. Hear it. Actually, they're all like that. So let's put them all back in. I think this is my last slime, and it's green and there's glitter inside, and it's in the flappy spot what goes like. So let's see. I got it right. It looks sticky, but it isn't. It's like jelly. When you stretch it, it's a bit wobbly. Sorry, that was me. What? So let's try it again. Let's try it again. Ow! No, let's try again. Let's try it one more time until we are getting started. Nah.
Is it back in the pot?
Huh?
Is it back in the... Put it back in the pot.
Why?
You're dangerous.
How? Do you like me swirling it?
Yeah, I don't like you sticking it on the carpet though.
Now we're gonna try it again. Oh man, I think this is my dog in the bag and it's really slow motor. It is! Let's only try this one quickly. Why? Oh, why? Why did I learn to do this? Oh, why? This is as big as a skipping rope. We're still doing it. This is good. Now let's try it again. I love this slime. Touch it. I'm going to try to whack you. Comment down below if you like this slime and the other slime. Where is that slime? I don't know where the other slime is. Comment down below if you saw the slime. We're looking for the slime.
Last one, Libby.
So this is my nose pick. What did you say, Mum?
Last one.
Okay. That is my pick. I picked. So I got comment down below if you have this squishy. I've seen loads on YouTube. I found my slime. Let me just put this in the pot quickly. Comment down below which one you like the best. You can put down you like both of them the best. Bye! I love this one. Oh, yeah. It's clicky. Stuff you down. was a clicky one. A bit, and now see this one. Comment down below if you can hear it. Let's see this one if it's clicky. It isn't at all. I don't know how to say this scent, but yeah. Let's get that strawberry. And by the way, guys, it's nearly night time. We know it's a clicky one. We know it's a clicky one. We don't know if it's a clicky one. Let's see. Talking of clicky, it is clicky. And I got this one at Spain. And I'm back at England.